हेलो लिसनर्स, आज का शो कुछ अलग ही होने वाला है क्योंकि मेरे साथ हैं अर्पिता बागरी, स्पंदन स्टोर्स ओनर विच इज़ इन मिलपीटर्स रांच ड्राइव, एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू टॉकिंग टू हर. तो अर्पिता, रेडी हो?
लिसनर्स के लिए परफ्यूम लगा चुकी हूँ, रेडी हूँ एकदम.
हाँ, you are known for your PJs, I know that. But listeners
Not
को
PJs, they are AJs, अर्पिता जो.
सॉरी, आई करेक्ट माई सेल्फ. तो ये एजे अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो पूरा प्रोग्राम सुनिए. और अर्पिता, मैं आपके बारे में क्या कहूँ, बहुत कुछ कह सकती हूँ, पर आप ही बता दीजिए आप कैसी हैं और थोड़ा बहुत अपने बारे में.
ओके, मैं कैसी हूँ? मैं बहुत प्रिटी हूँ, मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ.
अच्छा. वो तो दिख रहा है, बिल्कुल बहुत खूबसूरत है आप.
आई होप व्यूअर्स को भी दिख रहा है.
हाँ, वीडियो पे जाएगा. लिसनर्स, अगर आपको देखना है अर्पिता को तो ऑफ द कफ विद नम्रता ऑन बॉली 92.3 फॉलो कीजिए एफएम. एंड आल्सो शी इज अ लॉट
And also Spandan page, I will be posting this on my Instagram page, Spandan.
Okay.
All right, so more about me. I am a hustler by heart. Once a hustler, always a hustler. I wear many hats. I am a mother of two beautiful daughters, first and foremost. And next is my passion, Spandan. I am a small business owner.
Yes.
I hope I don't have to say that for way long that I'm a small business owner. I want to make it big. And I came to the Bay Area, to this country, with a lot of dreams. I hope to make them come true. I'm also a feng shui consultant.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
and that's me.
That's wonderful because I've been to your store and there's always a good vibe there. So I'm sure वो
It's
feng
a-
shui काम आ रही है.
Absolutely, the place is feng shui, but it is our happy place. So the vibe you give out is the vibe people feel. We are always genuinely feeling happy there, laughing. If you come there to spend time with me or even to shop, you will have ample of time laughing around with us and having a good time. Whether you buy or not, we are still treating everybody the same, because for us what is important is people coming in.
ये तो बिल्कुल मैंने भी देखा है. पर you know, when you started this, was it like घर की याद or was it like a business opportunity for you, or are you in love with the home decor? So क्यों आपने ये शुरू
So
किया?
this is in my blood. I started
Oh.
teaching art and craft when I was 14
Oh, okay,
to
okay.
younger kids
Acha.
back in Mumbai. Then I moved to
हाँ.
Bangalore.
Okay.
And I registered Spandan in 2001 as a small scale industry in
Oh,
Bangalore.
okay.
It was a women run small scale industry, and I was an artisan with the Karnataka government.
Okay.
I did murals and inboards there. I came to Bay Area, and then I realized you have to clean yourself, and there is a lot of mess mural making and neighborhood making left around. So then I started curating. I was also a gift specialist back in Bangalore.
Okay.
Used to do corporate gifting.
Oh.
So I picked up that line, and I love decorating homes.
हाँ.
And it was just a passion combined with the experience which I continued in the Bay Area when I moved in.
Yeah, so I think perfect opportunity and very well aligned, I'll say, to you, to your life and what you really want to do. And it shows because जब आप ऐसा काम करते हैं जो आपको खुशी दे तो वो काम नहीं रह जाता. Because I see the energy there. You're always up and about, interacting with the customers. So
Yeah.
बताइए कितना टाइम हो गया आपको ये स्टोर
So,
खोले?
firstly, if you love what you do,
Yes.
there is never downtime. You are
Absolutely.
always excited, you're always happy.
Uh-huh.
So always choose a profession that you love. I mean, look at you, you love what you do. Every time you talk about radio, you are beaming with joy, and it's so you understand what when I say,
Absolutely,
if you
yeah.
love what you do,
Yeah.
it's never work. It's
Absolutely.
always pleasure.
Yeah, I can understand that, and thank you. We are supporting women, and always there, and following you, and just feeling really proud of what you've done of the store and also in the community.
Thank
So
you
a
so much.
little bit, yes, and little bit about your store and how's the response? कहाँ पर है? कहाँ लोग जा सकते हैं? और
So I am in Milpitas
Yeah.
at McCarthy Ranch,
Yes.
and the store is named Spandan. We are a home decor, festive decor, and a gift store. We have beautiful gifts starting from $3 to $300. So there's something for everyone, men, women, every age group. We have some stuff for kids too. The response has been good. It is overwhelming to see the response when everybody walks into the store, and especially they don't know you're the owner or you're sitting behind the counter, and the first reaction, I wish I could capture everybody's reaction when they first enter, especially non-Indians when they enter the store. They go like, wow, what is this place? If you go on my Instagram, you will see, why go on Instagram? Local listeners, just drop in and come and see what I'm saying. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. It's so beautiful that every morning when I enter, I just look around and I'm just smiling. Like literally, every morning I'm just looking around and I take a walk around my store every single morning and I feel happy. I just like make sure I have the OCD to make sure everything is in place. So if some candle holder is little slant, I will turn it around and make it straight. And it's beautiful.
It is.
It is an experience every person in Bay Area, especially if you're an Indian, to support me as an Indian. Come along with your friends and family to see what I'm talking about.
Yeah, absolutely. And she has a lot of stuff for all kinds of festivals, and home decor तो है ही है, but festivals के लिए भी special shipments आती हैं, and you cater to that also. तो चाहे दिवाली हो, चाहे होली हो, चाहे any other Indian this thing, she will have stuff.
So the good part is that whatever is latest in India, you will have it at our store. There are so many customers here, they say, hey, my bhabhi asked me, where did you buy it from? I'm like, okay, she's from north, this is from south. So we have things from all over India. Every part of India, you have all the specialities, artwork and decor and newest and latest stuff in great quality and great prices at the store.
So आप expand भी कर रहे हैं. I'm sure you're expanding now online and India presence also.
Oh yes, yes. That's something so big for us. We are now in India. We have Spandhan.in. So everybody who's in India, or everybody who wants to travel and bring back from India, shop in Indian rupees, or they have mom and dad coming, parents coming in, relatives coming in, friends coming in from India, and they want them to bring the stuff for them if they have space in their baggage. You can always go online, shop on Spandhan.in and pick up and bring it here.
Good idea, I'll say,
Also, if you want to send gifts to your relatives in India during Diwali, Rakhi, you can always just go online and shop.
Can you spell the spellings of Spandhan?
Yes, that is SPUNDHANN. Spandhan.
और स्पंदन का मतलब क्या होता है?
स्पंदन का मतलब होता है vibrations, and it is like good vibes. It is basically to say that someone is still alive, vibrating. And I want to just say that art and creativity is still alive.
Absolutely, absolutely. And it gives a different aspect to your life. जैसे मैं कह रही थी कि घर को सुंदर बनाने में वक्त लगता है, कुछ साजो सामान और ढेर सारा प्यार लगता है. तो थोड़ा सा प्यार और थोड़ा सा स्पंदन का सामान हो तो घर घर लगने लगेगा. मुझे तो यही लगता है. तो I can see the happiness that you bring to your work, and you've also been doing a lot of community work, and you're helping people in the community. मैं आपको काफी सारे Bay Area events पे देखती रहती हूँ. आपका social media and especially Instagram is really lit, so I really enjoy following her there. So tell us a little bit about your community involvement.
So I'm very proud of encouraging lot of fellow women entrepreneurs to grow, to ensure that whoever has an idea, to teach them how to turn the idea into reality, how to start a business, how to grow a business. We are always answering questions on Instagram to a lot of women entrepreneurs all over USA on how to start and how to grow a business. And also right here in Bay Area, I try and organize fairs at my store. To encourage other women entrepreneurs come and display their art pieces, their handicrafts, their jewelry and other small businesses that they run, to make them believe in what they do.
Yeah, and also visibility. Sometimes people,
It is so important.
yeah. So to all small businesses who have, online stores who have just started, I think get in touch with Arpita through her social media handles, जो आपको वो अभी बताएंगे कि कहाँ फॉलो कर सकते हैं. But besides that, थोड़ी तो बात हो गई है आपके स्टोर के बारे में, आपके बारे में, एंड व्हाट ड्राइव्स यू. पर आज आप बॉली स्टूडियो में आई हुई हैं, ऑफ द कफ में आई हुई हैं, तो कुछ बॉली की बातें करें, बिकॉज आई नो यू आर बिग ऑन बॉलीवुड.
I am a big Bollywood buff.
फैन. तो कुछ बताइए आपकी फेवरेट, आप
पूरी
अपनी
Bollywood
फेवरेट है.
नौटंकी हूँ.
पूरी नौटंकी है, मुझे आपकी रील्स देखने में बहुत मजा आता है. तो क्या आप अपनी फेवरेट है कि कोई और भी आपकी फेवरेट है बॉलीवुड में?
So I should say something. When I was small, I mean I was younger, not small. When I was small also. भी बोल सकते हैं, अभी काफी big हो चुकी हूँ.
हमारा सबका यही हाल है. Anyway.
Okay, so when I was younger, B.R. Chopra was making महाभारत. एंड मैं बचपन में मम्मी मुझे बहुत कृष्णा बनाती थी. सो आई वॉज somebody sent my pictures. I was a very cute kid. I looked, my daughter, younger one, is a replica of me. So I was a very cute kid, and the younger version of Krishna, उसके लिए I was called for auditions, but being from Marwadi household, the relatives, my grandparents said no to it, but हाँ वहाँ रुक गया. तो मैंने वो पूरी कमी आजकल इंस्टाग्राम पे पूरी करती हूँ, सारी रील्स बना के, सारे ड्रामा करके. But yes, I absolutely love and in awe of Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh yeah, everybody is.
More than on screen, it's off screen.
Achha, have you ever met him?
I have met him once, but I really look forward to somebody in Bay Area bringing him, and so that I can meet him again in person and click pictures with him. But he is so witty. He is so smart. He's such a great businessman.
Yeah.
He is so amazing.
Yeah, and he's a gentleman and such a
Absolute
great family
gentleman.
man, and so I'll say respectful to women especially. That's what I've heard. But वही है कि हम तो जो सुनते हैं वही बता रही हूँ मैं तो. But it would be lovely to have it in the bed.
I so love his persona, his personality.
What about the latest actresses? आपको कौन पसंद है?
Latest actresses.
खैर आप तो है ही हैं एक actress, but
that's a tough call. There
I
are
know.
so many good ones, but I kind of love Alia's acting.
She's my top one too.
So perfect in every role she does.
Amazing.
She fits in everywhere.
Amazing.
I love Ranveer's dressing sense.
I know he is.
There was a movie Ranveer and Alia did together.
हाँ अभी जो थी ना.
I've watched it at least like 8 times.
Oh my God.
I am like wow.
Rocky और Rani
full ड्रामेबाज मूवी है. क्या कपड़े हैं, क्या songs है, everything about the movie is so movie. Is so movie like.
Yeah, the mainstream kind of cinema,
Exactly.
and I think that is true. I have to agree. मसाला है, पूरा मसाला था. I know. मुझे अच्छी लगी वो भी, और हाँ बट मुझे थोड़ी मेरी हटके होती है कभी मुझे.
I love Kala. I loved Kala.
Kala ना.
Kala. I listened.
वो सिर्फ Netflix पे थी.
Yeah, I watched Kala.
Tripti Dimri, no?
Oh my God, the songs, the story, the acting. I could not leave the couch.
Me too.
I sat and watched it on a weekday morning.
अच्छा.
And it was so good. I love जाने बलमा घोड़े पे क्यों सवार है.
क्यों सवार कर दे थोड़ा सा. अभी रेडी है तो I'd love to see a little bit of yours. Can you do a little bit of जाने बलमा कुछ ऐसा?
भगाओगे क्या इनको
नहीं भगा. बिल्कुल नहीं.
We will make a reel of that.
ठीक है, हाँ रील का इंतजार करें, और इंस्टाग्राम फॉलो कीजिए. अर्पिता का कौन सा है?
SPUNDHANN स्पंदन.
बिल्कुल, follow Spandan on Instagram. And this was lovely talking about Bollywood, and obviously like I told you, she's from Mumbai.
Yes.
And जैसे नस नस में बॉलीवुड है इनके तो और थोड़ा सा अब रैपिड फायर हो जाए, a little Karan Joharish kind
Oh,
of
oh my God.
okay,
Are you
let's
serious? I've
let's
never
try.
had a rapid fire on your show.
Yeah, this is only for you because I know you
Because
will
I'm so
and you,
silly.
yeah. I think you'll be fine. You'll be fine. They're very simple and they're about you. So here's a little bit of
Okay,
rapid fire round
sounds good.
with Arpita Bagri. So, favorite social media influencer?
Wow. Oh my God, that's. You're asking me to pick a best friend out of a group of friends.
Okay. कोई नहीं अब कर लो.
Okay, so let me think. There are a lot of many good influencers. They all put in so much hard work.
It is hard.
What shows is just a reel or
Yeah.
just a promotion, but they put in a lot of work behind, a lot of research behind promoting anyone. I have two favorite. Can we do best male and best female?
चलो बिल्कुल okay.
Filmy.
हाँ फिल्मी.
So I would say I would go for local influencers since we are on a local radio channel. We will say for the female it is Kamna Bhaskaran,
Okay.
and for the male it is California Baby.
Okay.
They are so amazing. I'll tell you why. They are so to the point, and they know what they're promoting.
हाँ.
They are not here for money.
हाँ.
That's the best part. They really want to promote you. They want you to grow. And the other thing that I would say as a person, as a brand who approached them as for influencing,
हाँ.
the first time Kamna promoted me, she's Kamna Bhaskaran, everyone. The first time Kamna promoted me, and I was in a workout, and my Instagram went ping, 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 continuously. I got great followings and great business. And the first time after Ronald California Baby promoted me, at least for 3 weeks, I had people coming to the store.
Oh.
Mentioning that they saw the reel and they came there. So great job. Thank you so
all
much.
small businesses. Here are some leads from Arpita.
Absolutely.
आपने कौन क्या नाम बताया?
Kamna Bhaskaran and California Baby.
Baby. Follow them and get in touch, I'll say. और दूसरा है favorite place in the Bay Area.
Favorite place in the Bay Area? Home sweet home.
Home sweet home. How sweet. And favorite food?
Favorite food? You asking a foodie?
अच्छा foodie हो आप?
Anything vegetarian.
Oh, okay. You're vegetarian
I'm
now?
a vegetarian.
हाँ, but no dish ऐसा कि मूड पे होता है कि आज ये पसंद है कल वो पसंद है.
Hi, I'm forever pregnant.
That's a good one. Forever pregnant. Okay, I'll take that. And best home decor item.
Lotus.
Oh,
Anything lotus.
anything.
It's so beautiful. It also matches the feng shui vibe.
Oh,
It is
okay.
also, it just brings in so much calm.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. And then last text sent or received.
Are you serious?
सोचो.
सोचना नहीं है. My daughter texted me on my way here. Mom, I'll be home at 11 today. So I said, oh, that's so sweet, sweetie. Welcome home. You are most welcome to be home at 11.
Okay.
And she was like, her response was, never mind.
Good one, I'll say. Yeah. भाई जब क्विक विटेड मॉम हो तो बच्चे भी लाजवाब वो हो जाते हैं. That is true. How cute. How cute.
It was fun. I was smiling.
I know.
I'm always talking straight from heart.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I was smiling when I was sending the text. I'm like, this will be fun.
Right. And I know you know yourself best. So, but worst personality trait?
I procrastinate.
Oh, okay.
I am a very last minute person.
Okay.
Jab tak till my ass is not on fire, I'm not working.
Okay.
I procrastinate.
Okay.
And I wish that can change.
Yeah. But no, as far as you're getting things done and you are
So
managing your business
right
well.
now we are introducing wedding decor at
Oh,
Spandan
okay.
in association with one of the pioneers in decor industry in Bay Area, Eve Decor.
Okay.
She is such a professional in terms of taking care of things months in advance.
Okay.
And she's partnering with me, who's a last minute person.
Oh,
And
okay.
I'm like, okay, this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be
Oh.
fun. So maybe she'll teach me
I
how
know.
to not procrastinate.
Yeah, you will teach her to procrastinate and say, you
कर
never
लेंगे।
know कैसे कौन
कर लेंगे, chill करिए,
चल-
टाइम है बहुत, चलिए अभी कॉफी पे जाते हैं.
what thing she'll say, okay. No, but I hope, you balance each other well, and that's what partnerships do. Or best music you've heard recently?
I'm still hooked on to the music from Kala.
Oh.
I don't know why I'm still hooked on to the music, but I really love one of the songs from it's a series,
हाँ,
and it's a ghazal Jaane Kyun.
हाँ.
No, not Jaane Kyun, it's ऐसे क्यों.
ऐसे क्यों? हाँ,
It
ऐसे
is
क्यों?
so beautiful.
Yes, yes.
ऐसे क्यों.
ऐसे
क्यों. Yes, it is so beautiful. I
Rekha
can-
Bhardwaj.
Yes, Rekha
Oh, I
Bhardwaj.
love that. too.
I listen on repeat mode.
Oh, really?
It's so
For
beautiful.
your fun personality, ये गाने पड़े आप और दूसरे choose करें, which is, see, that's what people, are. You have to have different facets to your personality.
Yeah, so it's not just hustle, it's hustle and heart.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, hustle and heart. I love that, And best sales line
Sales
for you.
line.
Sales line, yeah.
क्या सेल्स लाइन करूंगी मैं, लोगों का सामान उनके बास्केट से निकालती रहती हूँ.
Oh.
So when somebody is shopping at the store
Yeah.
and they are just over shopping, I'm like, hold on, what are you doing?
Oh.
She was like, what are you buying? Can you tell me the occasion? And then I get so involved in what they want to buy
Okay.
that हम उनके कार्ट से अगर सामान उन्होंने एक्स्ट्रा ले लिया तो ये नहीं लीजिए.
Oh.
I don't want to sell, but this will look good with this.
Okay.
So I don't have a sale line.
Oh.
When I started the store,
Uh-huh.
I started it out of passion and I started it for a dream come true.
Mm-hmm.
I always wanted a store. When I was in college, I used to cross Sadhguru's,
Oh, okay.
a very beautiful decor store in India, and Sadhguru's cross karti thi, to hamesha I used to tell myself, someday I'll have a store. I never knew I'll come to USA
And have a
and
store.
have a store of my own, one of the first of its kind in the entire country.
Absolutely.
And after the store opened, the launch is done, everything is done, store is done. I call Nick and I tell him, hey, can you tell me how much sale do I need to do in order to cover my cost?
That
He's
was
like,
it.
are you
Later on.
serious? Are you serious? Don't you know how much you will need to sell? No, this was my dream. I have to come get my. So I don't have a sale line.
Okay.
I always
You
sell
just
from heart.
absolutely.
Only if you need, I will let you buy. Else I'll be
Ah.
like, mat lo.
Okay.
वापस आ जाना.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Just promote my work around.
Absolutely. दिल से बात करते हो और दिल से काम कर रहे हो. But जाते जाते I know you do have a surprise giveaway for the
Yes.
listeners, and listeners आप बताइए क्या कर सकते हैं वो कुछ ये surprise giveaway जीतने के लिए.
So you have to like and follow my page Spandan. If you already do, that's great. And the second thing you need to do is on my last post, you need to type this.
Yeah, so you can type heard Arpita on Bolly 92.3 FM, and then she will pick a winner from
5 of them.
Yeah, 5 winners. So you
Yes.
have a good chance. So देखिए अगर आप सुन रहे हैं अभी सुबह सुबह ड्राइव कर रहे हैं कुछ भी कर रहे हैं तो जल्दी से स्पंदन इंस्टाग्राम पे जाइए इनके और वहां पर just heard Arpita or heard it on Bolly लिखिए and then
Yes,
she'll pick a
you-
winner and you can get in touch with her how she can send you the
I'll text you on it.
yeah.
That's-
Text her. So wonderful. This was a surprise giveaway, and Arpita, it was amazing talking to you.
This was so much
I
fun.
know.
So instant. So
I know. So that's I think that's how I see you as a woman. You're like all heart, like you're saying, like just what she said, hustle and heart. That's what she is. And it was my pleasure to having Arpita Bagri here on Off the Cuff.
Thank you so much for having me here. I'm so grateful.
My pleasure.
Thank
and
you.
Wishing you the best.
Thank
May
you.
you soar high and may all your dreams come true.
Thank you so much for that.
Thank you, listeners. If you enjoyed it, get in touch.
और जरूर बताना परफ्यूम पसंद आया कि नहीं.
हाँ, बातों का परफ्यूम तो जरूर आप तक पहुंचा दिया हमने, बाकी देखे. So take care, be well, bye for now.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
How was it?
So lovely. You were